This is the Gardenia floor plan at Carmel Terrace. Walking into the apartment, you'll see the dining area and kitchen to the side. The kitchens include all the major appliances as well as upgraded cabinetry. The Gardenia also has a window above the kitchen sink. The living room features a wood-burning fireplace, and top floor apartments get a vaulted ceiling. Through the bedroom door, the room is large enough to fit a king-size bed. You get a big window. The Gardenia features a walk-in closet and the bathroom. This bathroom includes a large vanity, toilet, and a bathtub shower combo. There are also 2 linen cabinets for extra storage. Coming back out to the living room, you can see the patio. This is large enough for a table and chairs. In this closet on the patio, you get a full-size washer-dryer. Again, this is the Gardenia floor plan at Carmel Terrace.